Ford's 2.0-liter EcoBoost engine suffered from coolant intrusion into combustion cylinders due to a design flaw in the block and head gasket sealing at coolant passages, allowing coolant to enter the chambers. Now, this flaw existed because the cast aluminum block used narrow coolant channels that degraded the head gasket seal over time, leading to leakage. As a cause and effect, coolant entering the cylinders produced engine misfires, white exhaust smoke, oil contamination, overheating, head gasket failure, and eventual catastrophic engine failure. The outcome was that Ford issued technical service bulletins and for some models required long block replacements, and later redesigned the 2.0-liter EcoBoost engine block to improve coolant passage flow and seal integrity to address the issue. Chevrolet's 2.4-liter EcoTech inline-4 engine is most unreliable for excessive oil consumption caused by low-tension piston rings that fail to maintain a proper seal in the crankcase, allowing oil to enter the combustion chamber and burn off at abnormal rates. The design used thin oil control rings and direct injection spray jets, which increased fuel economy but compromised oil sealing, resulting in consumption often exceeding 1 quart per 1,000 miles. This oil starvation accelerates timing chain wear, bearing damage, and overheating as insufficient lubrication stresses internal components. GM acknowledged the defect in technical service bulletins and extended warranty coverage and special coverage adjustments for affected 2010 to 2017 models, and class action lawsuits were filed over these failures. Hey, before we move on, if you found this video on every car brand's most unreliable engine problem helpful, well, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And make sure you let us know in the comments which engine failure surprised you the most. Toyota's 2.5-liter Dynamic Force A25A most unreliable engine problem centers on carbon buildup on intake valves due to its gasoline direct injection portion. Although the D4S dual injection system mitigates deposits by port injection under many conditions, which reduces but does not wholly eliminate accumulation in some driving patterns. The core problem existed because direct injection sprays fuel directly into the combustion chamber, leaving intake valves without continuous fuel washing. The cause and effect results in restricted airflow, rough idling, and misfires when deposits accumulate. Toyota responded by using dual injection strategies and improved positive crankcase ventilation to manage oil vapor and reduce buildup over time. Owners should follow scheduled maintenance to prevent long-term deposit-related performance degradation. Honda's 1.5-liter Turbo L15 B7 engine suffered a significant unreliability issue where unburned gasoline mixed with engine oil and caused oil dilution, reducing oil viscosity and protection. This dilution existed because direct fuel injection combined with cold weather operation and frequent short trips prevented complete fuel vaporization, allowing raw fuel to bypass piston rings into the crankcase. The fuel-contaminated oil thinned lubrication, increased internal wear, prompted misfires, and elevated engine stress on bearings and turbo components. Honda responded with engine control software updates to improve combustion and extended warranties for affected vehicles, particularly in colder climates. Hyundai's 2.4-liter Theta 2 gasoline direct injection engine produced between 2015 and 2020 suffered widespread rod bearing failure due to metallic debris left in crankshaft oil passages from poor factory machining, restricting lubrication flow to critical bearings and increasing wear rates. This restricted oil flow caused oil starvation to the connecting rod bearings, inducing metallic knocking noises, excessive engine oil consumption, stalling events, and complete engine seizure in many units. Manufacturers issued recalls for affected vehicles because leftover machining debris forced particulate contamination through the lubrication system, causing premature wear and unexpected failures. Massive class action lawsuits and extended warranty campaigns resulted in engine replacements and software updates to detect bearing wear across hundreds of thousands of Theta 2 equipped vehicles. Kia's 2.0-liter new gasoline direct injection engine, produced between 2015 and 2020, suffered from documented piston ring wear and piston slap issues in multiple markets. The aluminum block engine used lightweight, low-tension piston rings intended to reduce friction and improve fuel economy. Reduced ring tension allowed excessive cylinder wall clearance during cold operation, producing audible piston slap. Repeated slap increased blow-by gases, elevated crankcase pressure, and accelerated oil dilution with unburned fuel. Oil contamination reduced lubrication film strength on cylinder walls and bearings. Continued operation caused scuffed pistons, damaged cylinder bores, and increased oil consumption beyond manufacturer limits. Warranty claims and customer complaints led Kia to revise piston and ring specifications in later production update cycles globally. Jeep's 2.0-liter turbo GME T4 Hurricane inline-4 engine is widely reported to suffer excessive oil consumption, with owners noting rapid oil level drops well above normal expectations between scheduled changes, indicating internal lubricant loss rather than external leaks. The excessive oil use is attributed to poor sealing by piston oil control rings and associated cylinder sealing components, allowing oil to enter combustion chambers under boost conditions. This oil starvation effect contributes to turbocharger bearing wear, misfires from fouled plugs, and elevated operating temperatures, degrading performance and durability. Jeep has acknowledged the oil consumption condition in Technical Service Bulletin 2103421, recommending diagnostic procedures and piston seal upgrades to address it. Mercedes-Benz. The Mercedes-Benz M274 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine suffered notable timing chain stretch and premature wear, particularly in early production years, due to undersized timing chains and tensioners unable to reliably withstand long-term turbocharged operating stress, causing accelerated elongation and tensioner degradation. Chain stretch and worn tensioners produced rattling noises on cold start, valve timing misalignment, and elevated risk of the chain skipping teeth, which can lead to misfires, poor engine timing, and catastrophic engine failure if neglected. Mercedes-Benz responded with technical service bulletins and revised chain tensioner designs for affected models to mitigate failures. BMW's B58 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-6 engine suffers notable coolant and oil leak issues that contribute to reliability concerns, with coolant loss often originating from weak cooling system seals, water pump components, expansion tank connections, or plastic plumbing that can degrade under heat cycling and lead to overheating and head gasket stress. Oil leaks frequently occur at the valve cover gasket, oil filter housing gasket, and other seals, allowing oil to escape onto hot components, which can cause burning smells, low lubricant levels, and increased wear if not addressed. These leaks can accelerate turbocharger failure and carbon buildup on intake valves due to oil contamination in the direct injection system. BMW has issued updated gaskets and cooling components in later TU1 revisions to mitigate these failures. Audi. The Audi EA888 Gen 3 2.0-liter turbo engine, used in Audi models from 2015 to 2020, has been reported to exhibit excessive oil consumption, where the 2.0-liter four-cylinder injection engine uses oil above specification between services due to insufficient sealing by piston and oil control rings, allowing engine oil to enter combustion chambers. This oil usage can cause oil burning that leads to spark plug fouling, catalytic converter overheating, and engine misfires when left unchecked. The flawed oil control and piston ring design in subunits has been documented as a contributing factor to these symptoms. Audi and Volkswagen implemented revised components and service updates in production to mitigate this issue. Owners are advised to monitor oil levels and maintain the engine. Cadillac's 3.6-liter LGX V6 engine had a documented core problem of premature timing chain wear within its dual-chain camshaft drive system, where the chain and guide components deteriorated sooner than expected. The issue existed because the timing chain relied on hydraulic tensioners and oil pressure that were not always sufficient to maintain proper tension under all operating conditions, leading to accelerated wear. As a direct cause and effect, the stretched chain induced valve timing errors, which produced misfires, reduced engine performance, and increased fuel consumption. The outcome prompted General Motors to issue technical service bulletins and redesign chain components, including guides and tensioners, to improve durability. Tesla. The Tesla Model S and Model X drive unit used in 2015 to 2019 vehicles commonly suffered internal electric motor bearing wear and failure, especially in the larger rear drive unit, which powers the electric motor and reduction gear assembly. Early metal rotor bearings wore prematurely under high torque and high magnetic field stress, producing grinding or milling noise during acceleration before full failure. Faulty coolant seals in the drive unit design allowed glycol-based coolant to leak into the motor, corroding bearings and electrical insulation and accelerating failure. When bearing noise escalated into drive unit seizure, Tesla typically replaced the entire drive unit under the battery and drive unit limited warranty. Tesla revised drive unit design and improved seals and bearings in later revisions to mitigate these issues. From Tesla to Ford, every brand has faced engine nightmares that test reliability and patience. So, which of these problems would make you think twice before buying? Comment down below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.